Now you're going to learn how to research and actually join an affiliate program. So the main thing you want to do is select products that you know the people that you want to reach and can reach will use and love and appreciate the referral. So that's the most important thing. But if you're looking for an online course or membership site platform tool to recommend like LifterLMS, you just head on over to their website, and this is at lifterlms.com. So go there now and then scroll to the bottom. If you're ever trying to find out if a business has an affiliate platform, it's usually linked up at the bottom of their website. There'll be a link like this for affiliates. So what you do is you click on that, and this is where we just have a page at LifterLMS that goes over the affiliate program, like what are the terms and conditions and how does this work? So at LifterLMS, you earn 25% commission on every sale that you generate. LifterLMS is an awesome product with great support and high affiliate earning potential. Um, so you can make decent money promoting this, because some people promote as affiliate marketers things on Amazon that are very cheap, and you may earn, and Amazon has a very low affiliate commission. So you may promote a $10 product and earn like 20 cents. Whereas at Lifter LMS, for example, if you promote the Infinity Bundle, which is $1,200, you would earn $300 on that conversion. So what you need to then do from here is to actually apply to join the Lifter LMS affiliate program. So you click here, and at Lifter, as an example, we use Share a Sale to host our affiliate program. So it's like an independent third-party tool that makes sure that all the affiliate links work correctly, that affiliates get paid. Literally, when you earn a commission, Share a Sale takes money out of the Lifter LMS bank account and then holds it to transfer to you on the payout. So it's a great service. And so you have to join the Share a Sale platform. So in this step, what you do is, if you're not already a member on Share a Sale, you sign up here. And I'm not going to go through the whole application process, but it's just 5 steps. And it does ask for some information. Like, this is serious business. They need to be able to, make sure you be able to pay you directly to your PayPal account or your direct deposit into your bank account. So go ahead and sign up for the program here. And then in the next lesson, you'll see how to actually get your affiliate link inside the program.